guys, welcome back to my channel. Last video I showed you the first part of this where we visited El Calite with our new tour guide friend. So unfortunately, the video that I just referred to does not exist because all of my footage from our time in El Calite was corrupted. And while that is upsetting, I do hope to go back to El Calite and make a video to share with you guys in the future. But until then, please enjoy this video with the footage that did not get corrupted. But in this video, we're going to go check out the tequila factory and La Noria. So without saying any more, let's get into this video.
Welcome to Los Osuna factory. As you can see, we have a huge tree right there. The name of that tree is Guanacaste tree or Parota, the one that you told me. Okay, why Guanacaste? Guanacaste means tree of the ears. I don't know, you can see right there, we have some seeds and looks like ears, like UFC. Wow. Right here. Oh, wow. You can see the shape. So guys, I will explain you the process that how we made the tequila here. Okay, it is a craft process, old-fashioned way. This factory is from the 1800s. Okay, and you will know part of the history of this place with me. All right, the bar right there. So that's a place that we are going to get, just in case you want to try different shots of tequila, different flavors. That's the place. All right. But now we are going to do a small tour right here into the facilities of the place, okay? So follow me, please. Our main plant here, the name of this plant is blue agave, as you know. This plant is over ready. That one doesn't work anymore, you know? And we know it when we have this more. So the blue agave takes between 7 years or 9 years to become tequila. So we have this old-fashioned way too, guys, that we call it damajuana, which means like a big stone wheel, okay? And we used to use it centuries ago to squeeze the juice from the pineapples. I mean, it wasn't a cleaning way to do it, but we used to do it with mules and horses. The juice, well, we can call it agave syrup, which is sweet. When we do the harvest for the pineapple is very strong. After the cooking, is soft and sweet, like I say. So we have to cut the pineapple or agave in 4 pieces, and then we put it right here for a couple of days. Okay, and after that process, we have belchonte. This is amazing, you know. This is the core of the agave, and it is sweet and it is healthy. Okay, so you want to try some samples? So guys, all this agave is already cooked as said. Okay, our farmers do that job and they have to put it right here inside, and then this machine squeeze all the juice. Do you have an idea why we have classic music here in this fermentation room? So after this second distillation, guess what? We have tequila. So they prefer good quality of tequila, and like I said, this is a good quality of tequila. We were in different competitions in the States, and you can see we have different medals. All right.
That's strong. This one's super sweet.
Yeah, that first press was like.
Makes so much more sense because the second one was way more.
Which one was that? The
You're not gonna drive anyway. So.
No, it's really good.
All right, guys, welcome to La Noria again. This is our square in town. As you can see, every Sunday we have a flea market. Local people bring their own products like empanadas, tacos, tamales, bread, cookies, you know, and those products are amazing. So let's see if they had the fruit that I told you, pitaya. So let's see it and take a look. Just the inside. Go ahead, try it. My name is Jose Luis Osuna.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Good afternoon. Welcome to my little store here.
Okay.
Okay, I want to show you what I do, guys. And here in this workshop, we working in the handmade, all right? Because before we don't have electricity or something like that. We have everything is a manual, right? It's a very old machine. That one is seen here. They have more than 100 years old. This you can sit down here. You can make it like a bicycle, like this. You know, you don't have to go to the gym. You can make it here. They put on like this, like a car, like a breath. You put on in here. You saw this design, and just in case in the belts and the sandals, that's what they do it. When it's prepared, they cut like here. You can put on like a purse, you know, like a Gucci. This is traditional. This is traditional. From here, you put on the bottle, the tequila bottle here inside. You can drink. You have a both. Okay, you feel more. We make the sandals. This is a Mexican Skechers, Mexican Nikes, Mexican Nikes, Mexican Skechers, right? So, and then I make it this one too. Make it jewelry, right? We make it the Mexican fire opals, amethyst, tanzanite, you know, sapphire, regular silver.
I made a new friend. This is a horse. I don't know its name, but he's just taking a nap right now, so I'm not gonna wake him up. But I just thought it was funny that he's just hanging out. People literally just ride their horses around town. Like, honestly, goals. I wish I could. Okay. He touched me. Hiya. He woke up. He's awake now. He's no longer taking a nap. He's very sweet, apparently. I was kind of risking it, but he's leaning on me. He's leaning on me. He's nibbling. He thinks I'm tasty. Okay, bye, mister. Okay, guys, so we just finished exploring the tequila factory and La Noria. And again, just like El Calite, it is all so beautiful. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing all that we saw. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more adventures like this, let me know in the comments. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. It's free, and I'll see you guys next week.